Hola guys, Ms. Shamble here with your day 22 assignment on solving compound OR inequalities. I'm going to be doing number 2. So like I talked about yesterday, when you do compound OR inequalities, they're actually really simple because you just solve them separately. So I'm going to draw a line down the middle to mark that those are two different problems. On the left side, first thing I need to do is get rid of that 7. He is the constant, the 2 is the coefficient, and we know we always get rid of our constants first. It's currently a -7, so I'm going to add it to the other side. So that's gone. So now I'm left with 2a is less than -11 plus 7 is -4. To get the 2 totally by itself, I need to get rid of the coefficient, which is the 2. So I'm going to divide it away because they're currently multiplied. So those cross out, and I'm left with a is less than -4 divided by 2 is -2. In the right inequality, the positive 5, that's my constant. So that's who I've got to get rid of first. It's positive, so I'm going to subtract it to the other side. That goes away. So I'm left with -2a is less than 1 minus 5 is -4. So it's starting to look really similar to the other problem, but the only difference is this is a -2, and that actually makes a massive difference because when you divide by negatives and inequalities, you got to flip the sign. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that sign to point the other way. It's a greater than now. Bring the a down. And -4 divided by -2 is a +2. So this is my inequality answer. Maybe get the whole thing in there. There we go. And I got to graph it. So if I graph this, it's going to look terrible. We've got -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So for a is less than -2, I'm going to graph that one in green. It does not have a bar, so it's an open dot. Less than, the numbers that are less than -2 are to the left of it. So I'm going to shade that to the left. I'm going to graph the other inequality in red. So the second inequality is at +2, does not have a bar, so it's an open dot. That's a greater than symbol, so this one shades to the right where the greater numbers are. And that is my complete answer.